Greatest common factor and a distributive property. How do they work together? How do we use them together? So we have 99 plus 45, and we want to rewrite each expression using the greatest common factor of each number and the distributive property. How can we do that? Well, first we need to find the greatest common factor of 99 and 45. Interesting. We know that 9 plus 9 is 18. That's a multiple of 3. You can divide it by 3. We know that 45 plus 5 is 4 plus 5 is 9. Also a multiple of 3, so we can divide them each by 3. But I'm not too sure that's the greatest common factor. So it might be a good idea just to check to be safe. So my factors of 99, 1 and 99, 3 and 33, 9 and 11. The factors of 45, 1 and 45, 3 and 15, 5 and 9. Oh. Looks like 9 is our greatest common factor. So we divide each of these by 9. So 9 would be our factor on the outside. On the inside of a distributive property, 99 divided by 9 is 11. 45 divided by 9 is 5. 11 and 5 are both prime numbers. So there we go. 14 and 49. Our greatest common factor would be 7. 2 and 7 are both prime, so I know I'm good. So we continue on, and we have this one's it has now a variable. So we have 15n plus 40n. So we start to find the greatest common factor of 15 and 40, which would be 5. But we have this n. The n also has to go on the outside as well. So on the inside, we have 3 plus 8. Because 3 times 5n would be 15n. 8 times 5n would be 40n. The same with 30y plus 24y. The greatest common factor of 30 and 24 is 6. But we also have to put the y out there as well. All right. But what about as we move on? We have this. We have to write an expression that's equivalent to 17r plus s in parentheses. So we have to undo the distributive property in a way. So we have to multiply 17 times r, which would be 17r, plus 17 times s, 17s. Because the distributive property says that it's a times b plus c in parentheses. So I can undo that by multiplying a times each b and c in our parentheses. What about number 10? I would multiply 7 times p, 7p, 7 times 8, 56. Because if I were to undo this, the greatest common factor of 7 and 56 would be 7. And we could continue on. Multiply 2 times y, 2y, 2 times z, 2z. We have 4u plus 12. So 4 times u is 4u, 4 times 12, 48. It's using the greatest common factor and distributive property together. The most important thing to remember is knowing your multiplication and division facts. It will make this so much easier.